What's going on, everyone? ggkickzz here. Today I'm going to be reviewing 2 of the 3 Nike SBs that I got in the same weekend. I will be talking about that and showing you guys the clip where I actually picked my own ticket.
Picking a ticket? Oh, you got 2 in their hand. You got to drop 1. I don't want to sway you.
For one of these during the raffle, you guys get to see the raffle live where I won both of these in the same day. I won those on a Friday, the Banshee pair. I won these on a Friday, and then I picked these up Saturday because I hit both of them at my local skate shop. So shout out to you guys, home base, best people ever. So today we're gonna be taking a look at the 2 pairs. Like I said, one of them is the Pink Pig, the other one is the 58 Golf. I believe that's the name. It's made after a car, a design, something, I don't know. I've been seeing this color on a bunch of cars, like online, like expensive cars. But yeah, I hit 3 SBs in the same weekend. I believe it was Thanksgiving weekend, so I was able to pick all of these up for retail. So that was just a clutch moment, clutch right before the end of the year. I was able to pick up 3 more SBs for the collection. But without further ado, man, let's just take a closer look at these, show you guys a review, on foot, resell, all of that good stuff that you guys are always used to. If you guys like the content, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. All right, so here's the size tag for the 58 Golf pair, Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Blue Chill / safety white, retailing for $110. That's what my receipt says. I don't know why the sticker says 100, but here's the receipt for you receipt heads. Boom, boom, Golf, chill, home base. The other box is for the Nike SB Pink. This is the Nike Pink Pig, Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, PRM Atomic Pink / Atomic Pink, retail the same story. My favorite pair out of the 2 is this blue one right here. We're gonna start off with the outsole. This is the Nike SB 58 Golf. You have your orange outsole with your Nike SB in the middle there, white midsole, black stitching as well. Love the black stitching there because of the outline on the Nike swoosh. Gives it a nice contrast also with the black laces. Looks amazing. So you have your suede material, super buttery but great material. Suede here, type rugged, you know, for the skateboarders who are gonna skate in these. The white Nike swoosh leather with the black outline around it. Then you head to the lateral heel of the sneaker and you have your 58 in stitch there, so that's another great touch there. You got that stitched in on the side. I love when shoes do that. Nice embroidery, Nike on the back there. You already know the drill. So this baby blue suede, man, is so nice. Super nice. Back of the tongue here you have what I like to call the credits. These are your Nike credits right here. Nothing else hidden around here. Just Zoom Air and Nike SB on the inside. Your tongue, you have your classic fat Nike SB tongue with the 58 on it. No Nike SB branding, not even on the other pair. Medial side of the shoe, same thing. Nothing too much going on. Let's take a look at the other pair. Other pair brings the 2 laces inside like it's Nas or something. Both set up in there perfectly. There it is, the white and orange laces. So it brings extra goodies. Like I said, when I rate these shoes, I always rate if it brings extra accessories, if the box is nice and things like that. I take all of that into account. Nike SB embroidered there. Very nice shoe. Fat rope laces, Nike SB style. Come on, man, you cannot go wrong with this. 110 bucks, great pickup. Let's move on to the pink pair. These are the Pink Pigs. This uses a little bit more different material. I kind of like this one a little bit better. It kind of has your hairy suede, so you can change the shade of the suede just by messing with it, or if you have a brush. On the tip of the toe box right here, you can see it more clearly. The right shoe is more hairy on there. So this material is actually pretty nutty because this is like flat suede material, right? But after use, or if it gets wet or anything, it'll turn into this. Now it is not rough, it's still super soft, and it's changing colors. So it may look like it's rough there, but it's really not. Super silky. the whole thing all around. So I would have liked to see this material on the blue pair, but you know, let's start off with the outsole like we always do. Regular Nike SB outsole here. You have your pink in the middle there, nothing too crazy. The midsole, you have your white midsole with the white stitching. Then all around the shoe, you have your pink color, and also you have red stitching going around, outlining the whole shoe basically, which caused me to believe that there was a red leather panel underneath this, you know, like those over there, those change colors because they're Nike SBs. So skaters wear their shoes and they usually get hit here. So usually with Nike SBs, you'll see they have either an extra panel or a different color, you know, just to spice it up, because that makes it dope. So toe box, clean toe box, super silky smooth. So like I said, for 110, cannot go wrong with these. Rope pink laces going up all around. The fat tongue with the Nike SB. This one actually has the logo. Dunk Low Pro, not like the 58 Golfs. Credits on the back, same thing. Only brings one pair of extra laces, which is red, to kind of hit it with that red stitching. All right, so with all that being said and all that out the way, what do you guys rate these two sneakers? For the pink one, honestly, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. The material is solid. The Nike SB is solid overall. I love the suede. There's nothing wrong with it. Is it a pair that I wear a lot? Probably no. I might try to trade these for something else, to be honest. I would have loved to see the actual undertone red. Like if this turned red after you use it a while, it would have been much doper. I tried to look up some used pictures and that doesn't seem to be the case, even though it does have the red stitching there and the red laces. I thought like over time maybe this would turn red, because Nike SB does do that a lot, you know, with the changing leathers, like the Laker to Chicago ones that I have. I have a couple upper tearaway pairs like that, but yeah, the quality control was decent. Have hairy suede on one and some, but that's just normal. The colorway is something different, you know, I'm not gonna lie. So it's dope, you know, it's dope to see Nike SBs always doing that. And it was only $110, so that's why I don't mind to have these in the collection, you know what I mean? Because 110 bucks, you know, can't go wrong. These I absolutely do love, you know, because this orange just contrasts this baby blue so much, and it reminds me so much of Perry the Platypus. I don't know if you guys watch Phineas and Ferb. I know this is meant after a car or whatever, but this reminds me of of Perry the Platypus. But yeah, solid colors. I love the outline on the Nike swoosh there as well. You have your 58 there nicely stitched on. It's just super dope with the extra laces as well. It brings white and green laces, so I'm gonna be giving this sneaker a 9 out of 10. Like I said, the color is a sleeper, you know what I'm saying? Like this shoe right here, this is it. I absolutely love this shoe. I'll be keeping this shoe in the collection. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this and actually want me to do like a sneaker pickup vlog, that's what I'm gonna do this year. I'm gonna possibly make a vlog going down there because they always show love. Shout out to Homebase once again. ggkickzz signing out. Alright guys, so before I show you guys this, I'm just gonna explain how the raffle selection works. So all of the sizes are in a box. Each box has a different size, obviously. So in this particular case, they were raffling off 2 different sneakers, but they had multiple pairs. So they had 2 pairs of each size per pair. So there was 4 chances basically of hitting on these. So the rules are, he's gonna put it in this rotator thingy, kind of like the lottery thing. If a ticket slips out, that means that is the winner. Also, he lets the live audience that are there when they're picking live, because they do this on Instagram Live. I'll leave the link in the description below. They pick the winners live, and if you're there during the selection time, they let somebody pick if the ticket doesn't randomly fall out. So I actually got to pick, and you guys will get to see that in the upcoming clips.
All right, moving on to size 11 and a half.
I went for an 11 and a half.
Check the fold. Nothing in the folds. Size 11 and a half. Are you gonna pick?
I'll take the first one.
You're gonna pick the first one. All right. We got someone in here that's an 11 and a half. Let's shake this up first. So you want to pick it?
Yeah.
All right. See our brave soul after that last experience. Are you sure?
All right, so the last experience that he's talking about is a guy actually went and picked out his ticket. I believe it was for a size 10, 10 and a half around there. But yeah, he ended up picking a ticket and he thought he won and we all celebrated for him. I was already in a good mood because, remind you, the day before this, I came to the skate shop and I entered for the Banshee Navy SBs. I was already in a good mood because I was picking up my pair that day. So I just stayed after they were picking the drawing for this because I was already picking up my pair. You know what I mean? So I was already stoked. So I was in a good mood. I was clapping for everybody. I made so much noise when that guy won, when we thought he won, and then they compared the tickets and he wasn't actually the winner. So here you see me. I just set my tickets down. This is crazy.
Down. Reaching in.
I can confirm he's not looking.
Pick two tickets, bro.
You got two of them I picked them up.
He told me to drop one, so it could have been either or, man. So this is what makes this so crazy.
4, 9. 9, 2, 1.
There it is, right there.
That's
649921.
That's a dub.
Wow!
That's a W. I was so shocked. Like I said, like I didn't want to go to any conclusions. Like I wanted to verify 1000%. That's why I wasn't like really as excited, because I didn't want to. That was kind of embarrassing what happened to the other guy, so I didn't want that to happen to me. So I was like, make sure you guys verify that.
It's confirmed.
Side by side. There they are.
There they are.
Holy
Wow.
Congrats, bro.
W. Let's go for retail. As you can see, everybody in the shop is in good spirits.
Whoa. How far did you drive from?
An hour 15.
Where are you from?
Hazleton.
Hazleton. See? I had people calling me like, yo, I live like 30 minutes away. It's hard to get over there. Like, can you enter for me? And I'm like,
I used some hours today and yesterday, so.
hard work pays off.
It's an investment. It's an investment. Maybe a good drive home now.
Yeah,
Alright,
I just told
here
him
we
that
go.
like, I took
Golf,
hours to go to
size
this
11 and a
raffle,
half.
you know what I mean, like from work, so I had to leave early those days because you got to do what you got to do to get these W's, man.
Nothing yet. Oh,
Oh, what? I feel like I'm
fishing now.
trying to convince them to like
Do something.
fall out. Fall out.
It wants you to pick again, I don't know.
Fall out now. Now.
Oh, there's one. Oh, it's close. Nothing.
Oh, you want to pick again?
Nah. I don't want it to see if I'm there.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is. 6, 4, 9, 9, 1, 7.
Oh my god, by one.
Oh,
wow.
wait.
Turn it.
6499170 hit twice.
As soon as I said I
In
don't
the
want it to seem
house.
unfair, bro.
Get a little side by side action going here. Wow, look at that. Yep. Both
W.
colors. There it is.
Anyone yesterday?
Yeah,
Everybody was genuinely happy, man. This is just great vibes at this store.
Dude, that's insane. Yeah, you got to do something.
Yeah, I mean the casino's right down the way. So you might as well just like empty out your bank
Yeah.
and like throw it all on red or black.
You guys can go catch the rest of the video at Homebase's page, man. But there it is. That's the proof that I got back-to-back W's. Crazy night, crazy experience. Shout out to the bros once again. Amazing people over at Homebase.